Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials on any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com.
Can you try that this URL once again? Try copy paste the URL once again.
Yeah, I'll do that.
But now,
No,
yeah,
it is still
interesting.
telling. Yeah, hang on.
I tested these credentials just before demo as well. Not sure why
Okay.
this is not working.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
can, so what are things basically we can do this thing? So you can take the any open GitHub and set the password as a none and then try it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that. Hang on.
Yeah.
Might be let me take a new job, like pull up a new item
Sure.
or something. Oh, even here it says fail to connect.
1 minute. You have selected the gate. You have just provided that gate. Okay. Can you just remove the dot git? One minute. So it is okay. So can you ping me that you are? Can you ping that you are in the chat window also?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, just a minute there. Yeah, this is the repo where I was like trying to do this clone thing.
Okay. And once you're going to do this part, okay. And what error message exactly? Error? Can you ping the error message, please?
Yes.
Of the gate. When you connect to the repo, the git command git execute ls remote -h. Okay. Can you do the things? Can you copy the command from the git ls? Okay, just copy paste on the chat window. So check it out and all. Last thing.
So even GitHub has not worked, then the
Yeah.
right option would be not to look at this error. Let's do one thing. Go back to go back to the dashboard.
Okay. Okay.
Go back to manage Jenkins on the left hand side. scroll down, there would be an option for right green system configuration, manage plugins.
System configuration.
Right, on the top right, not below, top right. Manage plugins, right hand side.
Oh, okay. Manage
Right hand
plugin.
side.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Yes. Go to available tab.
Yeah.
Search for Bitbucket. Yeah.
Yeah, it's there. Integrates with Bitbucket pipeline
Yes.
with Blue Ocean. So
The third one.
okay.
Select this,
Install
and there
without.
is an yes, install without restart. Let it install.
Okay. I think
Okay, I found the issue why we were facing the issues in our previous one. The point was there, the command was the git.exe, that was the relative path was mentioned. So we have to give the complete path for the git. So
And to avoid that, the plugin can be used.
Hey viewers, our Master in DevOps engineering program can help you to hone the skills necessary to succeed in high-level DevOps positions. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and earn certification that show you are keeping pace with today's technical roles and requirements. Contact info is mentioned in the video sidebars and in the description box. Book your seats for the upcoming batches now.
oh, okay. So
The second one, not the second. The first one you are using GitHub. In the second, we used Bitbucket, and we installed the plugin for Bitbucket.
just
Yes.
now,
So
yes.
better to run this. Yes, better to run this. Click this. Go back to the configure once. Yes.
Okay.
Configure once again. Configure.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Check the URL once again.
This is good.
This is good.
I
Apply.
I just pinged the one URL. Can you open that URL?
Yeah.
Okay, can you scroll down, please? Okay, can you follow this step, the step second? Because once you're going to type the where gate, it's going to tell. So okay, so what's the situation at here? That once you're going to select the gate in a Jenkins, and where you have the like a gate is, it's not able to map it, right? So that's the reason basically, we are mapping it.
Okay.
Because right now the Jenkins is running on your machine. Is it on your machine the git is set up or not? So that's a question, right? So
it's not set up yet, I believe. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the reason it is not able to pick it up, right? So can you type the command where space git?
Which command you said? Like
line number option 1. So you go, so in a resolution you can see the option first where git. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so then you have to follow this, then you have to configure it, right? Otherwise git is not going to work.
Okay. Okay. Where space
Sure, type the where space git here.
No,
okay,
it's
can
not.
You type the git? Just type the git. Git is not set up on your machine, right? So it is not going to get the reference, and that's it's not able to build it, right? So that's the problem.
Okay.
Once you're going to locally set up, once you're going to live the locally set up, and that's a command you can follow the step 2, it will work for you.
Okay. So let me do one thing, because let me like set it up, the git and other things, and then get these things in the job.
No, better to do it. Better do it now.
Okay.
After this thing works. So go to the browser and Git for Windows. Search for Git for Windows.
Okay.
Enter. This is Windows machine, na?
Yes. Yes.
Git for Windows.
Yes, click it.
See.
Download.
Download.
Download. So once you want to set up, then just execute it. It will work.
Okay.
Double click this and it will start deploying the Git.
Git for Windows. Yes. I believe. Yeah. Next. C program
Next.
files. And so that's fine. Let me keep this on.
Next. Next.
It says from git bash or git from command line, also
That's
from
fine.
software. Okay.
This is okay. Fine. Next. The second option into what is the third option?
Checkout as is, commit as is. It says.
Yes, second option.
Use Minty default. Use Windows default icon.
Next.
Find. What should Git pull do by default? This is standard.
Yes, that's fine. Default is okay.
Git,
Next. That's fine. Next. Yes.
Okay.
Finish.
Yeah.
It may not work immediately. You need to go to this type here for search. Search for environment variables on the left hand side. On the bottom, search this
Okay. Okay.
environment. Type environment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It did
Click
the
this option. Very first option, environment variable.
Yeah.
Environment variable in the bottom.
Okay.
In the bottom, there is a path in the bottom section, server variables, bottom section, path.
Okay. Yeah. Talking
Not
about
on
here.
top, not on top. No, no, not on top, bottom
Yeah.
section. Path, edit.
Yeah.
So Git has been added. That's fine. Cancel. The last entry is related to Git. So environment variable is already configured. Cancel.
Okay.
Or
Okay.
yeah, either okay, cancel anything.
Mhm.
You need to stop your Jenkins and restart again.
Okay. Okay.
Hey viewers, trying to get into DevSecOps? Enroll for our DevSecOps certified professional programs and earn the certification that shows you are fit for these technical roles and requirements. Contact info is mentioned in the video sidebars and in the description box. Book your seats for the upcoming batches now.
Even close this command window. This command window will not consider the environment variable.
Oh, okay. Okay. So and then restart it. You're saying, Hemant, like close the command window, everything, and then restart it.
Yes, close the command window as well.
Okay.
No, the command window. So
Yeah.
obviously,
Oh, okay.
since you stopped the Jenkins, the browser will not work. So close the command window. If Jenkins is already stopped, is
Yeah.
it, or is still trying to stop?
No, it was done. So
So
I'll close the thing. Yeah. Okay, it's done. So okay. And now shall I restart that this thing? Like, you know.
Jenkins.
Where was I? Wait a minute.
Are you on the right path where the
I-
war file is?
Let me check once. Hang on. See users. Yeah, it was inside user. Let me check. The dot Jenkins. I think it should be here. Let me try. It should be. No, it's not here. Jenkins.war. Is it inside here?
So what is it you're trying to achieve, Raju?
No, just want to restart this Jenkins.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to go. So wherever. Oh, so did you down? Where you have downloaded Jenkins for?
It was inside this Rajiv folder. Yes.
No problem. You can download once again in case you want.
Okay, hang
Then
on.
you just go to the download. Just go in a download folder.
Yeah,
So
it
just
is there in downloads anyway. Yeah, let me do that. Yeah,
downloads, right? So yeah.
yeah.
So from here you can.
Uh, yeah. Say then I believe it should work now. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's working now. Okay. Yeah, it came up now. Okay. Okay. Let me go to the GitHub repo and try to, start it. Okay. There, configure. It's not coming up.
It will take a while. Wait.
Configure and then
Get
trying to
source
put
code
it.
management.
Yeah. And this one was it, right? Where was it open? Let me just check. Is this one right? All right. Here we take it and then okay. And I believe for
Apply.
this one, yeah, we don't need any credential or anything. Save. Okay, yeah, it is able to connect now. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Save.
Yeah.
And build now.
Okay, it started now. Yeah. Okay, it's done.
The green
Yeah.
box. Green means it's success.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so I can go to the dashboard and check for it, right? Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, screen. The log is here only, right?
See on the left hand side, there is an option for console
Oh,
output,
okay. Okay, I got
where
it.
you
Okay.
can read about what has been done by Jenkins in the background.
Okay, so just clone the repository and then what it did. Second fetch. And doesn't looks like anything. There was some commit message fix group ID after package refactors fix, and that's it. Oh, there was nothing done as such, I believe.
So as such, only the first step has been done with
Okay.
that, which is pull the repository.
Okay, right. Right.
That's it.
Hey viewers, are you looking for formal training on SRE practices? Take our SRE program. This course will teach you how to successfully implement site reliability engineering in the modern day 24/7 services. Kickstart your SRE training today. Contact info is mentioned in the video sidebars and in the description box. Book your seats for the upcoming batches now.
Okay.
So shall we continue for the day? What are the thoughts of?
No, probably no. We can drop him. I'll just have I'll have some more repositories configured, and probably we can go ahead with that from next time. Is it okay with you
Right.
guys?
So you want to configure right now, or you want to do as a homework?
No, I'll do it as a homework, some repositories
So
and
let's,
everything,
yeah. So basically, this is a job which basically we covered today. That's the way basically we write the job, right? So writing the job, the most of places like the Jenkins is pretty much advanced these days, right? So you have seen, right? Most of places like a drag and drop is there and the selection is there, and you use the the plugins, and you can start writing the jobs.
Oh, okay.
Right, and once you are able to write the job, then you could just do it, and you are good from the job perspective. So now you are using this Jenkins, or you are using the CloudBees Jenkins, or using any other part of Jenkins, right? The writing job is the same.
Okay.
Major difference at here to set up the pane which we took on the day one.
Okay.
So that's become to automated for the CloudBees or any other things here. Writing the job everywhere the same story. The only point that here while you're writing the job, you may have to install some of the plugins where that's already installed. So that's another difference. Otherwise, everything is same. This is the more tougher, that plain vanilla.
Oh, okay. Okay. So for next time, Vikas and him, what would be we discussing related to Jenkins?
Two things. One, we'll try to cover. We have only talked about freestyle and few of the options. We have not filled the rest of the options.
Right.
I know
Yeah.
it was a bit lazy today, but yes, we need to complete the freestyle and the rest of the options. Rest of the options are more important.
Okay.
As I said, freestyle is for the basic users, for our organization. Other options, how to create it as part of a file, or what we call as a script, how to create the Jenkins scripts. Jenkins file is created. That would be part of. I will try to cover how the best architecture should be utilized. The parallel processing is possible, and the plugins. Basically, these three we'll try to cover in next session.
Okay.
That would
Okay.
cover a major area of what the Jenkins is all about.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Makes sense then. Yeah. I think then I should be good. Yep.
Good.
Yeah.
So as a homework, we suggest that take some ready-made gates, check in it, create the username, passwords of freewares, and create the job, and then play and try to manipulate other things also, or try
Okay.
with other options, right? Like a global or the system and all that part, and just play with it.
Okay.
More you're
Okay.
going to play, more you are going to get comfortable with the Jenkins.
Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, got it.
That's good. So
Yeah.
the next class will be, we are planning on a Friday, on a Friday, or we have to go for Saturday. What's the plan?
Uh, what are you guys comfortable with? Is like, can act
Can
accordingly. Mm-hmm.
so Hemant, Friday or Saturday? I'm okay for both.
If it is Saturday, we can have longer hours.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
yeah.
yeah, probably then we can go on a Saturday at the same time, right? Between 1 to 3. So that should be.
So can we go early rather than going to 10:30? Hemant?
Yeah,
Yes.
that is possible. Let me know like what time suits you. Accordingly, I think Mantosh sends me link and other stuff, so he will send accordingly then.
I can coordinate with the Mantosh on that part. So I will update you the Rajiv for the slot. So
Okay.
for that part, so you can check, and parallel I can update the Mantosh. So I will ask the Mantosh side, so that's fine.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right. So we
That
we,
makes
we are
sense.
we can think that how big session we can do it, and according tomorrow you will get the update about the timings or something, right?
Okay.
So you can,
Okay.
if you're good, then you can do it. You can reply, and according we can plan accordingly, right?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay.
Perfectly makes sense. Do the homework in case you face any issues, anything you want to ask, please note down. So in the
Mhm.
next session, we can do it. And if you can get a Cloud B also, that will be the really great.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
One
Yeah.
more thing is there for the like a JFrog repository, right? So do you
Mhm.
have some license copy or something for the JFrog repository?
I don't have anything as such as a free license as of now. So I don't know. I mean, they give a free license. There was some community version for it. I remember. Let me see because like I don't know if they have JFrog.
So once you go for the JFrog repository, it's comes the option for that part also.
Oh,
Uh,
your voice is breaking, Vikas. Hang on.
Okay, sorry. Okay, I was just a bit far from the my laptop, right?
Uh,
So yeah, JFrog, the website, it's basically the start for the free subscription include
uh,
the AWS or the Azure also.
oh,
Okay,
okay.
parallelly we can look onto these things and we'll get back to you on that part. The only point is, with the license. So if it is
Mm,
free and go to that part, because while we are conducting the classes for our clients, right? So they have the paid version. So their license doesn't matter, right? For the corporate training, only that issues come once we, train to someone on an individual basis.
Oh,
So
yes,
nothing.
yes. Right, right.
Right. But no worries. So let's to do it parallel. We can work for the JFrog and for X. So how we are going to do for the Excel deploy, right? So do you have a license copy or something?
No, I don't have anything as such, because but I was checking yesterday, if they provide any, so they do give free license for 15 days or something with one
That's
email
for the Cloud
ID.
B. That's the thing you were talking about, a Cloud B, right? Or the Excel deploy.
No, Excel deploy. I'm talking about Excel
Okay,
deploy.
Excel deploy. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So Excel deploy, I think no, CloudBees is for 15 days. Excel deploy, they give it for around 30 days or something, 30 or 40 days, I don't know. That's their license trial version, and then if you're interested, you can extend it with some money. I'm not sure how much is that, but yeah, I'll try to download that as well.
Sure.
Because if I can get it from somewhere. Actually, when I joined, I thought Mantosh told me that you guys are corporate trainers, and also I thought like you guys already have the license with which
No. So we
train.
we have,
So
so
yeah.
basically So basically we are a corporate trainers, but
Uh-huh.
the license generally what happen that the clients buy the license in a bulk, right? So whatever
Okay.
whom the client we are going to give the training, so they bear the license cost. They already have. So
Oh.
even we get one free copy for some of the clients, for not
Oh.
all the clients. So once the training is done, right, then after the day the training, the last day for our training, so within 5 days we have to release the license. Or basically they are going to deactivate our ID, or
Oh.
they
Okay.
give in advance. So that's the way basically things work.
Okay. Okay. So yeah,
Right.
let me
And
try with this. I mean, I wasn't sure first year. That's why I asked Mantos at that time. Like, you know,
no, no.
so
So
I mean, I
I already informed to the Mantosh that thing is fine for the Cloud B.
uh,
We don't have a license, but if you're going to cover the Jenkins, the Cloud B is
uh,
not a big deal, right?
uh,
Regarding the Excel deploy, I know someone that who works someplace, right? So he have
okay.
his own license, so that, but unfortunately, while I was talking, right, he moved out from that org,
Uh,
right? So and
okay.
that another org is not using the Excel.
Mm.
So we didn't get a time to troubleshoot because there are a lot of other assignments are going to happen because offer the job support and other stuffs also
Right.
for the H1
Oh.
coordinates, right? So that's the things. But yeah,
Oh,
we
you
have
guys
some.
offer job support as well, because like, I mean, if somebody is
Yeah,
having
so
some.
I offer the job support also. So I closely work with the Mantosh also. I mean, whatever trainees come to the Mantosh, so he consider us. But yeah, I personally also do the job support or stuff also.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay.
That's the things I also do. But yeah, it's
Okay.
good to know. And so parallel, you just try to look for the, like, if you're looking for the Cloud B, so you can look for the JFrog and the Excel deploy also. Parallel, we are also going to look on all the options on the weekend.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.